Hi, welcome back to the channel Generous, Gracious, and Gallant. I'm your host, Dr. Ghosh, and I'm back today with another inspirational story for all of you. For those of you who are already my subscribers, a heartfelt thank you to all of you. For those of you who are coming onto my channel for the first time, let me give you a brief about this channel. The channel we started on as a Facebook page in 2015. Today there we have got 820 members on the group. This is a by invitation only group, and we send out the invitations to those personnel who we have seen making a difference. On WhatsApp, we have another 120 additional members. And on YouTube, which we started in May 2020 in view of the ongoing battle against the infamous COVID-19 virus, today we have about 350 subscribers and we have crossed 5,000 views. The reason for this growth is very clear. We have a very clear mission. Our mission is to change the thought process and strengthen the moral fiber of the present and future generations. And we achieve this with a two-pronged strategy. Number one, we send out daily inspiration on our Facebook page and our WhatsApp group. And we share the best stories with you of mankind on this YouTube channel, Generous, Gracious, and Gallant. So, my friends, if you want to share inspirational stories, listen to inspirational stories, and make a difference to the thought process of the present and future generations and strengthen the moral fiber of society, please do subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button and pressing the bell icon so that you receive every update that we release on this channel. Also, please feel free to share this video with your friends and family. They are all totally child friendly. The awe-inspiring woman, lady, whose story I'm sharing with you today is a young lady with Down syndrome. Down syndrome, as you all know, is a problem in the 21st chromosome which results in causing development difficulties in the physical and mental makeup. She was born with this Down syndrome. Despite these challenges, she went on to attend classes in Clemson University in the LIFE program, which is a program by Clemson University, Learning is for Everyone, which is a post-secondary program, the purpose of which is to help young adults with intellectual disabilities to learn on the skills which are necessary to gain employment and live life independently. She finished this program and then moved on to Boston in Massachusetts trying to get gainful employment. Here she was repeatedly rejected, saying she is not a good fit. For a person with Down syndrome who already has problems and is doing her best to fit into, as they call it, normal society, is very tough. And it takes a heavy beating on the confidence of people with disabilities. And so did Collette Divitto also take a hit on her confidence. She said, I was inspired to start my own business because I could not find a paying job. The greatest challenge faced when trying to find a good job was that no one would hire me, and I was always told that I'm not a good fit. Friends, People with disabilities, it has been found, are more passionate on the job and at times make better result outcomes than employees who are totally able. This is because they have the passion, the drive to make a difference, and they want to prove themselves. Let's give an opportunity to such people with disabilities when we come across to them. A request. It was on the face of these ongoing rejections that she turned to her hobby. Her hobby, even in high school, was baking cookies. And she had tried multiple recipes and she came out with a recipe with cinnamon and choco chips, which her friends and relatives used to have and they were very fond of, and they used to call it amazing cookies. It was so delicious. So she took a call that she would no longer try for a job and instead would try to turn her passion of baking into a business. She took a first step towards this by going to the local markets with samples and trying to get orders. The first local market she got an order from was the Golden Goose Market, which started with 100 packets a day order. When this order came in, she required a place, a kitchen to start baking cookies, as her residential kitchen would not prove to be sufficient. So she got supported through volunteers and restaurant owners with permission to bake in their kitchen in the evenings and on the weekends. Once the samples started going out in the market, it was found to be amazing, as she had named the cookies, amazing cookies. And orders started pouring in. A phase came where even the local business kitchens would not be sufficient, and she required to set up a commercial kitchen for this. Her sister Blake and mother Rosemary together supported Collette Divitto by advertising in the social media for the sales and also going to GoFundMe page for funds to support her bakery venture, and they got the funds. They set up a new commercial kitchen which had the capability of 5,000 cookies per day, had a full scale freezer, fridge, and an 80 quart mixer, which was a necessity to set up the bakery operations. Friends, Collette Divitto, a girl with Down syndrome who chose to adopt the never ever give up attitude and not lose hope and faith, and started her own business. She became a CEO. A young girl who was being rejected because of her disability of Down syndrome repeatedly by multiple jobs became a CEO and started a lucrative bakery business and was super successful in that. She had a never give up attitude. Success is the ability to go from failure to failure without losing courage or hope. All of us meet with failures in life at multiple stages of life. It is our ability to bounce back which will make a difference. And Collette Divitto is a shining example of the never ever give up attitude. It is women like these who, with their winning attitude, make a difference in society. She chose to fight back not give up, and became the CEO of a lucrative business all by herself. An amazing woman, an inspiration to all of us who would like or look around for inspiration when we come across difficulties in our own life. Friends, I would also like to share with you that I'm a firm proponent of the concept of difference to one. Mankind is facing its biggest battle against the infamous COVID 19 virus, and we all need to stand up, take a stand, and make a difference to someone in our community who's been affected by the virus. Your ripples of your kind act, your kindness will spread and will make a difference. Every act of kindness makes a difference. No act is too small. Friends, while you choose to make a difference, please also ensure that you are safe by following social distancing norms, wearing masks, maintaining hygiene standards, washing your hands regularly, and avoiding crowded places. Friends, I'm sure you liked my inspirational story. So please do subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you get an update every time I release another awe-inspirational video for you. Until we meet again with another inspirational story for all of you to share with your friends and family. Good luck, all the best, stay safe, and make a difference to someone in your community. Thank you.